Welcome to an immersive journey into the worlds of the Vivo T3 5G. In this 10-minute video, we will deliver deep into the features, performance, and innovation packed into this cutting-edge smartphone. The Vivo T3 5G boasts a stunning edge design with an ultra-slim profile and premium crystal texture, making it a pleasure to behold and hold. But its beauty is just the beginning. At the heart of the Vivo T3 5G lies the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 5G mobile platform, taking performance to new heights. With its 4mm architecture and octa-core CPU, this chipset ensures blazing fast performance and exceptional energy efficiency. The Vivo T3 5G also comes equipped with extended RAM and a memory booster, allowing for seamless multitasking and superior performance. Say goodbye to app reloads and hello to a smoother user experience. Unlock greater visual delight with the Vivo T3 5G's 120Hz high brightness AMOLED display with a local peak brightness of 1800 nits and a wide color granout. Every frame is a vivid feast for your eye. Immerse yourself in stunning immense version with the Vivo T3 5G dual stereo speaker, delivering 200% volume for double pleasure. Whether you are streaming music or watching movies, the sound quality will evolve your entertainment. Experience lightning fast gaming with the Vivo T3 5G with features like dual 10x super touch control, 4D game vibration, and game voice changer. You will enjoy your smooth gameplay and enhance socializing. Capture stunning images in any lighting condition with the Vivo T3 5G's immersive image technologies for Sony OIS anti-shaker camera to super night mode. Every shoot is clear, stable, and professional. Rest assured with the Vivo T3 5G durability and security features with IP54 dust and water resistance and FunTouch OS 14. Your device is protected against the elements and often enhance privacy and customization. And there you have it. It's all about the experience. So let us go with the new technology and new device. Thank you.